Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best PEM31SFSS is probably one of the most versatile and stylish countertop microwave ovens available on the market today, offering a sleek stainless steel finish and a compact design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen aesthetic, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both functionality and modern appeal in their kitchen appliances. This microwave boasts impressive performance, heating food evenly and efficiently, and its intuitive controls make operation a breeze, even for those who aren't tech-savvy, ensuring a user-friendly experience every time you need to heat up a meal or prepare a quick snack. Number 5. GE Compact 0.7 CU Foot Countertop Microwave Oven. Introducing the GE Compact Countertop Microwave. It's designed to fit perfectly on your kitchen counter, offering essential cooking functions in a small package. Enjoy simple, one-touch operation with instant express cooking controls and multiple cooking modes. Added features like a kitchen timer, child lock, and cooking completion alarms make it incredibly convenient to use. Despite its compact size, this microwave packs a punch with 700 watts of power. Its 0.7 cubic feet interior provides effective and efficient cooking without taking up valuable counter space. This freestanding microwave is designed for easy setup. It fits perfectly on any countertop or open shelf, and comes with a convenient 39-inch power cord for flexible placement. Its solid and sleek design features clean lines, an electronic keypad, and a beautiful stainless steel finish with black glass. It's a stylish addition to any kitchen. The integrated glass turntable rotates your food throughout the cooking cycle. This ensures even and thorough cooking for all your meals. What we like? This compact microwave is perfect for small spaces. Its 700-watt power ensures efficient cooking for everyday needs. If you're looking for a simple, reliable appliance for a dorm room, apartment, or office break room, this is a great choice. What people say? This has the proper depth for sitting on a shelf without issue, provided that you use a flat pigtail adapter so that the plug doesn't jet out and prevent the microwave from sitting close to the wall. The microwave itself is a basic model that has few bells and whistles. Heating is even, and the 700W, while low-powered compared with larger microwaves, gets the job done just fine. The fit and finish are much better than other compact microwaves I looked at. It will fit a full-size dinner plate without issue. Number 4. GE 4-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven GCST10A1WSS. Introducing the GE 4-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven, a versatile appliance designed to simplify your cooking. It combines microwave, air fry, convection bake, and broil functions in one compact unit. Despite its compact footprint, this appliance boasts a generous 1 cubic foot interior. It's perfectly sized to fit your dinner plates, frozen meals, and snacks, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Enjoy peace and quiet with its designed for quiet performance. You can cook or reheat meals without disturbing family, colleagues, or meetings, making it perfect for shared living and workspaces. With 1050 watts of power, it delivers fast and even cooking. Reheating leftovers or preparing snacks is a breeze, ensuring your food is ready in minutes. Experience the convenience of air frying, convection baking, and broiling. Crisp your favorite foods like fries and nuggets without preheating, or bake personal pizzas to perfection. Simplify your cooking with one-touch preset buttons for popular items like fries and pizza. It also includes a 2-step child lock for added safety and peace of mind. The stainless steel interior wipes clean effortlessly, saving you time and effort. It comes complete with a crisper pan, making air frying and convection cooking even more convenient. What we like? This versatile microwave offers air frying, convection baking, and broiling in one appliance. Its quiet performance makes it ideal for shared living or working spaces. If you want to maximize counter space and enjoy multiple cooking methods without the noise, this is the one for you. What people say? It tells you when it's hot, which is a good safety feature. The ability to heat food up in the air fry mode is so much better than turning my gas oven. And then be able to microwave. Microwave function seems great, so far, and you can adjust the watts. Convection function is just a dream and is really an addition air fryer. Hot air fryer perfect. Number 3. Sharp SMD2470 ASY Microwave Drawer Oven. Discover the innovative Sharp Microwave Drawer Oven, designed to elevate your kitchen experience. It offers a sleek, modern design that seamlessly integrates into your cabinetry. Experience ultimate convenience with its automatic door system. It smoothly opens and closes, allowing for hands-free operation, making your cooking tasks simpler. Enjoy flexible kitchen placement that simplifies cooking and reduces prep and cleanup time. This appliance is designed to fit your lifestyle and your kitchen layout. The concealed control panel opens at a convenient 45-degree angle, providing easy-to-read and operate controls. Accessing its features has never been more seamless. Despite its compact exterior, it boasts a spacious 1.2 cubic feet interior. It's large enough to accommodate dishes like a 4QT casserole, making meal preparation a breeze. Engineered with precise dimensions, it ensures a perfect fit in standard or flush mount cutouts. Enjoy a clean, integrated look in your kitchen. What we like. Experience effortless cooking with its automatic door system and hands-free operation. The concealed control panel offers a sleek, modern look. If you prioritize convenience, a clean aesthetic, and easy access in your kitchen, this drawer microwave is an excellent upgrade. What people say. It opens smoothly and fits nicely into the kitchen without crowding the counter. Heats food quickly and makes everyday cooking a bit more enjoyable. At 4 feet 11 inches, I often have to reach for things on my tiptoes. It was hard to see anything in my microwave when it was placed above the stove. And pulling hot liquids out was really a trick. Now, I can place things in and take them out with ease. The sharp microwave works very well and has a nice sleek look. It is also so much easier to keep clean. I especially like the tilting control panel that made it easy to use no matter what your height. The reheat function works very well. Leave the top off of the container, let the microwave sense the heat moisture and cover the food for a minute after it's done cooking, and you'll have nicely warmed food. Number 2. IMPRESA 11.25-inch microwave glass plate replacement. This replacement plate is built with sturdy glass, offering a robust and long-lasting solution for your microwave needs. It's designed to withstand regular use, making it a reliable choice for your everyday meal preparation. Upgrading your microwave is simple with this replacement. It installs easily with the included 3-part bushing couplers and centerpieces, fitting securely into your existing setup for a hassle-free experience. This turntable tray is designed for broad compatibility, fitting GE and Samsung models, as well as many other brands. Its 11.25-inch diameter ensures a perfect fit for a wide variety of popular microwaves. Keeping this glass plate clean is simple. Just hand wash it with dish soap and warm water. To ensure its longevity, avoid abrasive cleaners and rapid temperature changes. Perfect for busy individuals, this plate is ideal for both cooking and reheating. Its clear glass design allows you to easily monitor your food as it heats, ensuring a seamless cooking experience. What we like. This is a replacement glass plate for your microwave. It's made of durable glass and is easy to clean. If your current microwave turntable is broken or you need a spare, this offers wide compatibility with many GE and Samsung models. What people say. The microwave has a sleek design that looks great in my kitchen. It heats food evenly and quickly, which is exactly what I need. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use, even for someone not tech-savvy. Number 1. GE Profile PEM31SFSS Countertop Microwave. Introducing the GE Profile PEM31SFSS, a stylish and powerful countertop microwave. It offers 1.1 cubic feet of space and 800 watts of cooking power. This microwave features a beautiful stainless steel finish that complements any kitchen decor. Its compact design makes it perfect for any countertop. Looking for a seamless look? This unit is built-in capable, and with a matching trim kit, it can be integrated directly into your cabinetry. Despite its countertop size, it boasts a generous 1.1 cubic feet of interior space. The convenient turntable ensures even cooking for all your meals. With 800 watts of power, it heats and cooks food quickly and efficiently. Enjoy perfectly prepared meals in less time. The interior cavity measures 17 to 38 inches wide, 9 inches high, and 12 to 14 inches deep. This provides ample space for most of your cooking needs. What we like. This countertop microwave offers a generous 1.1 cubic feet capacity and 800 W of power. It's also built-in capable with an optional trim kit for a seamless look. If you need a microwave with good capacity and the flexibility to integrate it into your cabinetry, this is a solid option. What people say. This slim microwave has completely outperformed my best expectations. It cooks potatoes perfectly every time. Not only does it function well, and runs quietly, it looks fantastic too. This unit replaced another GE just like it that finally died after 10 years of heavy usage. It is reliable, user-friendly, compact, quite attractive, and has all necessary functions for non-serious cooking where a larger, more powerful convection-type microwave with temp probe might be a better choice. It is compact but still has a turntable. Very quiet in operation. Looks high-end. Heats well and evenly. Popcorn setting does not burn the popcorn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.